channel. It's your girl again, Oni B. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and please kindly remember to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a new video like this, you be the first person to get notified. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much. You guys are the best. So let's get into the business of today. As you can see from the topic, I'm going to be sharing 5 social media platforms where you can make money in 2022. Guys, when I said it, that my subscribers and I, this year we are still making it. I wasn't joking. When I said it, I'm going to be giving you content from back to back. Guys, I wasn't joking. We are definitely making it together this year. Okay, let's get into the business of today. I'm so excited about this one because anybody can be a part of it. Anybody can earn from it because we all use social media platforms. I can bet that yes, you watching me now, you have different social media platforms on your phone. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have YouTube, you have Snapchat, you have TikTok, in fact, you have everything. So it means you can literally make money from one or two or more of those social media platforms. So guys, you want to sit back, relax, and grab your coffee and listen to my gist for you for today. I will not be stating these social media platforms in any alphabetical order or in any order. I'm just going to be stating it as they come, except for the last, which happens to be, in my opinion, the best so far and the easiest so far. The best in 2022 actually, where I think you can easily make money compared to the others. So let's get right into the video of today. First on my list is Snapchat. Snapchat owners actually pays $1 million daily, which they distribute to the content creators with the best videos per day. $1 million, guys. You could benefit from this $1 million. You and I can be a part of the beneficiaries from this money that they distribute to people on a daily basis. One of the Snapchat celebrities said in his first video, which he didn't even think would go viral at all, until after 2 weeks when he got paid $940,000, said from that day he just started making videos, taking time to create content and all. And guys, guess what do you need for this? You only need your phone to be in good shape, have the best quality, and shoot videos. How beautiful is that, guys? So you might want to try out Snapchatting. Next on my list is YouTube. Yes, people actually make money on YouTube. A lot of people have become millionaires on YouTube. It's not easy at the start, you know. I wish I had started years back. I wish I had started putting content out there years back. I wish I knew the things I know today, you know, but it's never too late. So in case you're still considering, oh, I want to do this, or I do not want to do this, do I want to do this, or do I... Guys, YouTube is not going anywhere anytime soon. You might want to come on board and start creating content. It's never too late until you give up, you know, guys. So on YouTube, as soon as you hit your 1,000 subscribers and you've hit 4,000 watch hours in few months, then you can start making money on YouTube. There are also different ways through which you can make money on YouTube. You can make money through affiliate marketing or being an influencer, selling product for people and getting paid for it, or even selling your own product. Next on my list is Instagram. Yes, you heard me, Instagram. As much as a lot of us go on Instagram to have fun and to watch videos and to do all, people still make money on Instagram. A lot of celebrities and a lot of content creators on Instagram get paid for it, and that's why they do not relent and just keep on pushing out videos for you to watch and enjoy, and while their pocket become big. You can make money in different ways on Instagram. One of them is through affiliate marketing. The other is you can make money from doing sponsored posts for people, and also you can make money from selling products for people and getting paid for it. Not only selling product for people, you can also decide to sell your own product, promote the post, and start earning money on Instagram. Guys, it's not as hard as it seems. So you just want to jump out there and start cashing out into your own pocket. Next on my list is Facebook. People still make money on Facebook, although there are now more stricter measures which has been put in place by the owners and the managers of Facebook. But trust me, people still make money on Facebook by selling products, by running adverts and all on their pages if they have a lot of subscribers, by doing affiliate marketing and a lot of that. So people still make money on Facebook. Nothing is impossible, although the rules are more stricter. So the last social media app I have for you today is TikTok. Honestly, it will amaze you how much money people make on TikTok these days. 2 years ago in 2020 and 2021, I used to come on TikTok, just watch videos or do 1 or 2 videos, drop it, leave, and come back in the next 6 months to check and all. But recent, I stumbled into TikTok and I got to see how amazing and how viral this app had grown. And trust me, people from different parts of the world come on TikTok to make videos, to go live, and people make a lot of money on this social media app. In fact, research has it that people are now migrating from Instagram to TikTok, since that's the newest app where you can make money easily. People make money through different ways. For example, writing, singing, playing games, playing challenge, being a group party host and all. And also, to get paid by TikTok itself, all you need to have is you need to have at least 10,000 subscribers, and also you need to have 100,000 video views in 3 months. Guys, this is so amazing and beautiful. You no longer need to stress. I know people that do not do their 9 to 5 jobs anymore and just focus on their social media platforms to make money, or whatever platform gives them money. So just choose whatever platform works for you, build your brand around it, develop yourself on it, and start enjoying yourself, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed my video today, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and also keep supporting, keep your comments rolling in. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.